Hello, my gorgeous friends. Let's talk about karma, which is one of the most happening or the most seeked after concepts where we have very less understanding about. So, in a very innocent level of understanding, we believe that karma is a punishment uh, where when you do something, is going to come back to you. Truly, that's not the concept of karma. That is the law of affinity or the law of cause and effect, that you shall attract back to you whatever you give out. But the concept of karma is basically a concept that is given to the human beings because we are on this spiritual quest and this spiritual journey and this journey of life where we are upgrading our frequencies. So, karma is basically the same energy that comes back to us that we have got stuck in any lifetime or in the past. So, if let's imagine there are various frequencies A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the various frequencies, and our goal is to reach from the lower frequencies to the higher frequencies. Like from the A is the lowest frequency, and Z is the highest frequency. So, our goal is to transcend from each frequencies. So, let's assume you're born in this lifetime in a frequency of B. So you will be presented to you situations of frequency B, but in those phase of those frequencies, you will have to make choices of a higher vibration so that you can transcend the B frequency and move to C and D and E and F. So karma truly is a concept that is presented to you wherein you're given negative situations, but in that face of that negative situation you have to make a positive choice. So if somebody is hating you or somebody is giving you anything negative, rather than you giving them back negative in an auto programmed mode and staying stuck in the same frequency, you have to choose from a place of love. You have to choose from a place of oneness. You have to understand that this thing is coming back to me because at some level of consciousness I have given it to them, so it's coming back to me. So now I receive it and I send love back to you. Yes, it requires a high level of awareness and conscious way of being, because we normally function from a low level of auto program fear based mechanisms, where if somebody is giving you negative, you immediately give them back negative. Karma is a concept where you can neutralize energies. So when somebody gives you negative and when you give negative back to them, you have a bigger negative, right? But when they give you negative and you give them positive, a negative plus a positive is equal to neutral. You become a neutralizer. And the moment you neutralize the energy between two souls, you move your level of vibration from vibration B to vibration C. And then at C, you will be faced with more concepts of karma. And then you move from C to D, and so on and so forth. So, to reach to this level of awareness and understanding, meditation is the key, where you become so aware and you become conscious. Understand, my dear soulies, that in our consciousness we have choice, and in our subconscious we have auto programs. So stop being those auto programmed subconscious robots and start becoming aware and conscious that whatever life is giving to you, it is due to the law of cause and effect or the law of affinity. And now it's your job to receive it with humility, with love, with compassion, with kindness and oneness, and understand that you're here to graduate in this school of life, and you're not here to give out negative to people. You're not here to judge. This can get actualized, or this can get initiated within you when you start practicing stillness within. When you practice stillness of the mind and the emotions, you reach a state of divinity within you, where there is pure, pristine energy, where the awareness unfolds that you are here to only give out love. So and our job is to reach to that level of understanding and awareness. So, my dear souls, please understand what the law of karma states, and please understand that this is not a punishment. You're not here to be victims of life. You came here to become the creators of new reality by making new conscious choices, and our goal is to transcend to the highest level of awareness and consciousness by embodying high vibrational frequencies and by staying positive always. So stop coming from fear and come from a place of love, and understand that we are all one and we are all divine beings on this planet, embodied in a structure of meat, bones, and blood. And we are here to raise our consciousness. So get committed to your journey and forget what they are giving you. Stay focused on what you are giving out from your vibrational frequencies and keep your vibrations high.